Good morning, viewer. Bien, there's a breaking news. Yeah, a group of researchers is calling on colleagues around the world to join them in what they call pathogen prospecting by tracking down archival specimens of mosquitoes in museum and other collections to examine them for pathogens, that would have infected people with malaria during the mosquitoes feeding on their blood. Researchers from McMaster University, Public Health Ontario and Leiden University in the Netherlands present their case for the deeper study of archival mosquitoes in a paper published in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Individual mosquitoes that transmitted malaria to people housed in museums around the world can be very useful to scientists using modern tools and methods to study how the often deadly and still prevalent disease moved through human populations and how it continues to move today. Historic entomology collections around the world have huge potential to answer multiple research questions, says McMaster paleopathologist Megan Brackley, who holds the Tier 1 Canada Research Chair in the Bioarchaeology of Human Diseases. Our focus was on malaria, but there is great potential to extend beyond that. Mosquitoes housed in public and private collections, some featuring samples collected during colonial expeditions as far back as the 17th century, represent an untapped trove of new information about species of Plasmodium, the single-celled parasites that caused malaria by catching a rat into a place by using feeding mosquitoes as carriers or vectors. Modern science can extract information about the evolution and movement of malaria through DNA analysis and other forms of testing. The authors say that can accelerate the effort to protect vulnerable human populations from the continuing threat of malaria. The World Health Organization recorded 249 million cases of malaria worldwide in 2022, including 6,08,000 deaths. Three-quarters of those who died were children under the age of 5 years. The scientific study of historical malaria has been challenging because the infection typically leaves little trace, particularly in the remains of patients who have survived the fever-inducing disease and died later from other causes. In recent decades, malaria has been associated primarily with regions with hot climates with robust mosquito populations, including countries in Africa and South Asia. Poverty is a significant influence on the prevalence of malaria today because many people in developing countries are less able to protect themselves from mosquitoes. Bien, that's report.